Example 15, recognizing a vertical stretch. The graph in figure 22 is a transformation of a toolkit function f of x, which is equal to x cubed. We want to relate this new function g of x to f of x, and then find a formula for g of x. So here, we want to locate points on the graph that we could recognize very easily. So we label them, and that's what I've done here. So we know that we have a point on this graph that's 0, 0. If you look here, we have a point that's at 2, 2. Okay, now other points we may not be able to clearly see. That's why I want to pick the nice points on the graph. Same thing over here. We can see that there's a point -2, -2 on this graph that we can also look at. So that should be a -2. I'll go ahead and fix that here. So that's -2, -2. Okay. Now, when trying to determine a vertical stretch or shift, it is helpful to look for a point on the graph that is relatively clear, like we just talked about. In this graph, it appears that g of 2 is equal to 2. With the basic cubic function at the same input, f of 2 is going to equal 2 cubed, which is equal to 8. Based on that, it appears that the outputs of g are 1/4 the outputs of the function f, because g of 2 would equal 1/4 of f of 2. So from this, we can fairly safely conclude that g of x is equal to 1/4 f of x. So again, if we take the basic function is the following, and it's in green. We have 0, 0, -2, -8, and 2, 8 as the basic functions from our x cubed toolkit. So if we have 2, 8, and we take 1/4 of that 8, then we're going to get 2, 2. If we look at our other order pair, 0, 0, if we take 1/4 of 0, 1/4 times 0 is 0, so 0, 0 is still there. And then if we have -2, -8 from our original function, and multiply the output by 1/4, we're going to get -2, -2, which it proves that this new function that we've seen is 1/4 times f of x. So if our original function f of x is equal to x cubed, then our new function g of x is equal to 1/4 times x cubed. Now, we can write a formula for g by using the definition of the function f. So again, g of x is going to be 1/4 times f of x, which again gives us g of x is equal to 1/4 of f of x.